This is the OnePlus 10T 5G smartphone, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can extend the random access memory amount on this device. So first of all, let me just launch the Settings app, enter the About Phone section, or About Device to be precise, and show you that the current amount of RAM we have is precisely 16 gigabytes. So in order to expand it or increase its amount, you gotta, tap on the RAM amount over here at the About Device category of settings. Then switch this little toggle on that says RAM expansion. Choose for how many gigabytes exactly you would like to increase your RAM. So the options are 3, 5, or 7. As you can see right here, I'll go with the maximum of 7 gigabytes. As it is stated at the top of the page, basically, in order to increase the random access memory amount, it uses the internal storage space and uses it as it was the allocated RAM memory or storage. Alrighty, so now as it was stated right here, in order for the settings to take effect, we gotta reboot our device. So let me do just that. So once the smartphone gets rebooted, restarted, let me just quickly enter the SIM pin I have. Let me just open the same category of settings, which is About Device. And as you will see, as you can see, right here, the RAM says that it has 16 gigabytes as well as 7 additional gigabytes we have literally just added to it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.